Hello, my name is Michael Stillwell and I'm one of the instructors here at the Piano Technician Academy, and I wanted to let you know about a little bit of a giveaway we're doing here at PTA that might interest you. We recently received an order of grand piano action models just like this one that were actually on back order for over a year. So to celebrate, we're going to give away one of these to you guys every single week. All you have to do to enter the sweepstakes is to be in the continental United States, because we are including free delivery with this item as well, and to fill out the form below. We'll announce the winner every Friday afternoon on our Facebook page, as well as email the winner their tracking number for the action model. These action models are awesome for learning regulation and repairs. We even use them in our online piano tuning repair course here at PTA. Not to mention, they look awesome. They look really cool on your desk or on your piano, at your home or your shop. So if you have any questions about becoming a piano technician or the sweepstakes or a course in general, always feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck in the sweepstakes.